NATO and its allies want to bring defence tech companies to the battlefield, at least for training. At NATO's annual exercise Retmus in Portugal, they're testing maritime unmanned systems, including drones. This year, 24 countries are participating, and for the first time, Ukraine's navy is involved. For the past 3 weeks, allies have split into red and blue teams to carry out missions against each other. Ukraine's been on the red team.
One of the important things here we have during this exercise is the participation of Ukrainian Navy. And I think it's important to know how they work and how they use their systems and how they use their because they do it in a very simple way. We have systems much more complex, much more expensive than they use, and they are very efficient.
Another novelty this year is daily jamming trials to test drones in combat-like environments. There's also a free tech zone, a 2,600 square kilometre area where companies, academics and the military can freely experiment. This has included a nuclear submarine, drones and mine detectors to protect subsea cables. Germany's Rheinmetall is displaying its Hero system, a kamikaze drone.
We can launch from 60 kilometers away and be far away from the target, but it's no harm's way to the soldier and charge for the drill.
Meanwhile, the French company AK Heroes has been carrying out missions almost every day. Their plug-in technology can be applied to drones, which then uses AI to analyse what is happening on the ground. It's nearly impossible to jam.
As everybody knows, the war in Ukraine has changed everything. We are now entering a paradigm of asymmetric warfare everywhere, so the little drones, could be like ground drones or navy drones or UAVs, are very critical in this kind of warfare, and they embed more and more AI. And so what we are witnessing here at Retmus is this change of this paradigm with a new warfare which is made of very agile, very fast.
Back at the base, the red and blue teams analyse what's going on in real time. It's here where decisions are made.
To have the command and control and to have the video, the real position of the units, it's a different way to fight. So right now with the digital tasking, I can task and retask the assets in flight. I can assign different areas. I can see what is happening in the theater. So, as you can see, it's for command and control. It's improving a lot.
He wouldn't declare a winner, but said Ukraine's providing valuable lessons as allies develop new tactics. Pascal Davies, Euronews.